Hi everyone, it's Jason here from MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. And today I'm showing a fresh trade-in we just took in. It's a super clean 2019 Four Winds H230. Take a quick little tour on the 2019 Four Winds H230. There's a lot going on in this boat. This is a pretty cool feature that I really like, is how Four Winds incorporates this rear swim pad here into a seat. It easily folds up and down. Going inside of the boat, you got this nice little walkway right here. All right, guys, carrying on from that cool little walkthrough that Four Winds does, it's really easy to open and close. This folds down. Now you got this great big L-shaped seating. Not to mention the wakeboard tower that has LED lights inside of it, and a nice big bimini to get you out of the Texas sun. Coming into the cockpit area here, this boat is sitting right at 99.1 hours. JL audio stereo system. 2 captain's chairs. Both of these captain's chairs have the flip-up bolsters. So to get you high up in the air so you can see over the windshield when you're pulling somebody on tubes. And last but not least, a huge, deep bow. So it's real safe up here. So if you or anyone else wants to come over to MarineMax here in Lewisville, give us a call. My name's Jason. I'd be happy to walk you through the boat.